Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the Discord stuck on black or gray screen. That's what you have to try. That is all about what we need to do. Is in order to fix this, just go over here, search for the task manager, and you have to click on this one. And right now if you find the Discord over here, just select the Discord and make sure the Discord is removed from the background, or you can search here for the Discord like this. So just remove the Discord, and now we need to close this and move to the next step. Next step is all about just go over here, search for the run command and press enter. So just go over here and remove this particular command over here, and you have to type %app data. You have to type % and go for OK. And right now if you find the Discord, get into the Discord over here, and once you get into the Discord, so make sure just go back, right click on the Discord, go for delete icon, and once it is deleted you have to close this, go back to the app data. Now from here what we need to do is just get into the local. Now from here get into the local, and right now you can scroll down and get into Discord, and if you find anything over here, right click on the Discord, go for the trash icon as well. Now we need to close this, go over here, search for the CMD and click on run as administrator and go for yes. Now we need to type ipconfig, put a space /flushdns and press enter. So it will be removed. Now we need to close this, go over here to the Google Chrome, download the Discord from here on the Google Chrome. I mean, you have to search and download it, not from the Microsoft Store. So these steps can fix the issue up, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.